Here's hey.
Hi, Karen.
Would you want to talk on camera about the projects?
Okay.
Okay,
Perfect.
wonderful. So tell us, who are you and who are you with?
Okay, I'm Manuela and co-founder of Lumi Industres
Okay.
with Davide Marin, which is the real maker and the inventor of all our projects.
Okay.
And we are here today to show you our latest project, which is Lumi TV.
Okay.
Which is the most compact 3D printer ever.
Okay.
So the idea is we like compactness because it's so important. And we created a 3D printer which is so small that it's only tall 8 centimeters, but it grows while printing. So you can still have like up to 10 centimeters of printing area.
So this is the one that you put a tablet inside of, correct?
Exactly. This system can be used with different technologies. We decided to start with the most futuristic one, which is with using tablet. So we are using special daylight resins that are more sensitive to lights. Because of course the screen of a tablet is not so powerful like a DLP beamer or UV laser. Anyway, we are using the screen of a tablet. We are using now an iPad mini. We designed an app that allows you to load the 3D model, slice it, and create the appropriate images to be projected on the resin.
So, just for the people watching, this is expanded a little bit, but you slide your iPad inside it, and as it prints, it expands upward. And you take your print out, and it shrinks back down, and you can put it away. Very small.
Yes.
And here's some examples of the prints off of the machine. Oh, there we go.
See how you put the tablet underneath? This is the resin pad. This is how it is when it's closed. And when it opens up, it can reach up to 10 centimeters. And this is while working. So the resin, the printing bag, and the pieces that are attached, of course, upside down.
Very cool, very cool. And you guys have some other interesting stuff here. This was here last year. I love this.
You have seen it last year.
It's so cool. It's very hard to explain or to show on video the fact that this looks 3D. You can move around it, and it looks correct from different angles in 3D. On video, it's not quite the same, but in person,
it's not the same. The principle is it's really interesting. We are going to improve it because, of course, we need to make it move a little faster, so you won't have this flickering. But the idea is there that it's possible to have like holograms, like in science movie.
Very cool. And then over here we have
a project which Davide is working on in free time, but we wanted anyway to see the reaction of people. We are sintering icing sugar.
Yes.
So we would like to bring 3D printing also in the food sector with something that is of course compact and also affordable. These are the first tests.
Yes.
A little suffer after 2 days of fair.
Yes.
But
yes.
Anyway, just to show you that it's possible also in this case to sinterize the sugar. So we saw a very interested public here. So I think we will go on with this project, and maybe next year you will see a most finished version of it.
Very cool, very cool. What's your website so people can find you?
Our website is www.lumindustries.com.
And do you guys have any information on this or that on the website?
Okay, we have a lot of information about the new Lumi phone. There is also a video that you can check out, a video presentation. About the Lumi Suite, it's really the first time we are showing it live.
Yeah,
so
it's still just a prototype.
Yeah, it's really a special preview just for you.
Very cool, very cool. All right, thank you so much.
Thank you, bye.
Bye.
Enjoy.